Hey everyone, have you ever heard of Blackstone? It's one of the biggest investment firms in the world, and in 2025, its influence spans across industries like real estate, technology, and healthcare. Today, we'll explore how Blackstone became a powerhouse, why it matters to you, and 3 lessons you can learn from their success. Let's dive in. Part 1. What is Blackstone and how does it operate? Blackstone is a private equity firm that manages trillions of dollars in assets worldwide. They invest in everything from real estate and energy to tech startups and healthcare companies. Their approach? Spot opportunities, take calculated risks, and create long-term value. Blackstone doesn't just invest money, they bring expertise, connections, and strategy to grow their investments. Part 2. Blackstone's influence in 2025. In 2025, Blackstone continues to dominate industries like 1. Real estate, owning massive portfolios of residential and commercial properties worldwide. 2. Technology, backing innovative startups and expanding in AI and data analytics. Their ability to adapt to market trends and influence industries makes them a major player in shaping the global economy. Part 3. Why should you care about Blackstone? Understanding Blackstone isn't just about knowing what they do. It's about learning how their strategies can apply to your own growth. Whether you're running a business, managing investments, or just curious about financial powerhouses, there's a lot to learn from how Blackstone operates. Action takeaways from Blackstone's success. 1. Think big, start small. Blackstone started with a single office and a big vision. 1. Look for small opportunities that can grow into something larger over time. 2. Diversify strategically. Blackstone invests across multiple industries and geographies. 2. Apply the same principle by diversifying your investments, skills, or business offerings. 3. Focus on long-term value. Blackstone doesn't chase short-term wins. They focus on sustainable growth. 3. Adopt a mindset of patience and long-term planning in your own goals. Conclusion. Blackstone's influence in 2025 is undeniable, but the real power lies in understanding their approach. By thinking big, diversifying strategically, and focusing on long-term value, you can apply their principles to your own journey. So, which takeaway will you use first? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who's inspired by Blackstone's story. See you in the next one.